guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been 2 weeks since I last made a video, so today I have something special and I would like to introduce you all to someone.
Hi everybody, hi. 사내문 레스토랑 황선한입니다.
So for those of you who don't know her, she used to own a restaurant called Sun and Moon, and she is opening up a new restaurant very soon. And she is going to teach us one of her recipes today. So let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so guys, we also have Salma to help.
반갑습니다. 오늘은 매운 치즈 불닭 떡볶이를 만들겠습니다.
오, 맛있겠다.
자, 먼저 빠니 인사이드. 빠니. 한국말로 해?
괜찮아요.
괜찮아요?
둘 다 저요.
400g 푸딩. 100g 푸딩. 먼저 육수를 만들 거예요. 육수에는 목이버섯. This one. 목이버섯. 불을 켜야지.
목이버섯 뭔데요?
Yes. 목이버섯. 바시룸.
아, 머쉬룸이요.
Yes.
아, okay.
And then this one 다시마. No 다시마.
김이에요? 김?
No. It's like I'm making like this cutting.
네.
I'm using 육수 making time.
네.
다시마 is very healthy. 다시마 2 piece giving.
I'm gonna translate this for you guys, don't worry.
다시마 2 piece giving. After then.
Salma, help her.
What do you? This is first 육수 making. 육수. You know 육수. After onion.
Uh-huh.
Onion piece. Cutting. Wow, the chopping. 육수 making 10 minutes. Okay, and this one is moringa.
Yeah,
This
drumsticks.
powder. Yes, this powder. And then this
If you want to buy the powder, you can contact her.
And then this outside cleaning.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's 육수 making time very good. That's why I can use this one. And then.
Guys, this is drumstick. You
And
also
then
use it for
육수
like.
making. After then finish.
Mm-hmm.
This one 육수 making, and then we are sauce.
네.
Sauce.
네.
And then oil, sesame oil, some giving,
Sesame oil.
and then 고춧가루 2 spoon. 고춧가루.
Ooh.
Yeah. 고춧가루. After sugar. Sugar. 간장 1 spoon.
That's soy sauce.
No problem. Sauce. You can put how much you want. This one. 고추장.
고추장.
Yeah. 고추장 giving. 2 spoon. Yeah. After like this making.
It isn't even ready yet.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
자, sauce making, keeping. It's restaurant making time. This is sauce.
안녕?
안녕.
What is that?
안녕. Making. Inside giving this like this. Sauce keeping. After then, this we are garlic. DIY. Yeah, this like this.
Skills.
This Sharma.
Yes.
This what? This one? What? Maner.
Garlic.
마늘.
Maner.
Okay.
Say it, 마늘.
Yes, maner.
마늘.
Maner. It's okay. After then, keeping. After then, it's okay. Coming.
Boiling. It's
Coming.
boiling.
Boiling. But this one no need. We are take out. Sharma. This one you do. This one you do. Some oil giving. You do.
I wasn't. I really need to like break it.
Yeah.
Break what?
Pooja, calm down. Pooja, what is wrong with you?
자, you like this coming.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
맛있겠다.
After then, this 라면. 불닭 닦고 라면. 라면. 자, 라면 cutting.
We're using
cutting.
불닭 볶음면,
Yeah.
and apparently
This is 불닭 볶음.
Samyang confirmed that the noodles are actually vegan,
Yeah.
that the sauce doesn't use.
This one very big. It's a half.
조개라.
Cutting.
Any
Okay.
animal
And
product.
then, yeah. This one, balance also giving.
Mm-hmm.
The sauce. It's okay, this one. Like.
그거도 써요?
Yeah. Spoon.
Already?
Yeah.
I used to think it's a topping.
And then Sharma, this one baking.
With
like this.
Yeah.
You do? No problem. Yeah. Okay, this one. 자.
Salma ready to survive in Korea.
Yeah. Sauce giving like this. Okay.
I will do better than you.
자.
Why didn't you put everything?
남았어요 아직.
남았어. 자. And then after that tteokbokki. Tteokbokki. This tteokbokki.
This is tok, guys. This is rice cake.
Yes, rice cake.
Rice cake.
Rice cake tteokbokki.
이거 어디서 사요?
이거 is internet market. It's
Internet
available.
market?
Internet market available. I can buy Delhi from Delhi.
From Delhi?
In Delhi, yes.
Okay.
One person 10 pieces, but today is Alma eating, Taeyong eating. I can more.
Salma is 12 people.
Yeah. 자, 떡볶이. 떡볶이.
어,
pudding.
맛있겠다.
Yeah. 자, 갈릭.
오.
갈릭 pudding. 자.
Guess we're keeping the vampires away.
After then, this sauce.
오.
This one. 자,
거기 케첩도 있어요? 케첩?
케찹 있어요.
케첩도
케찹
나와요?
Later.
맛있어요.
오.
케찹도 비빔.
오.
I love the background music. We're the next song.
Spring onion this sauce. This one don't do. Mushroom also we eating. It's very good. Cutting.
If you don't
Don't
need
do.
it, you can
Yeah,
skip
we
this
eating
part.
this one. Yeah. 비빔.
와.
자, we giving. We giving cheese.
My favorite part. Where is it though?
Yeah.
There.
This is black pepper. Black pepper. Okay.
What is it called in Hindi?
후추.
Kali mirch.
काली मिर्च.
자, last we putting cheese.
Yay!
Oh my god!
My favorite ingredient.
I feel like we fancy
Yeah.
yeah?
with all the
1
cheese.
minute, 1 minute, cover putting.
Wow, did you see that?
Yeah. 잘만 waiting, I'm good. Yeah, finish it. Okay?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Come in.
Dude. Should I take a pic?
자, okay? Done. Finish it. Yeah. Okay? We tasting. It's tteokbokki. Cheese bulldog tteokbokki. It's I'm close. Okay? Yeah. 자, 딜. 라스트. 딜. 자,
Sesame seeds.
sesame seed. 오케이?
Let's try. 이제 먹어볼게요.
You like it?
Do you want it?
I don't
Because
want
you're
to-
asking for it. You're dying for it. Are we gonna do ASMR?
No, we're not. 진짜
Eat like James Charles.
Hey sisters. 맛있어요. 맛있어요 means tasty, okay? Look at that cheese. How is it, Salma?
Like me.
그렇지.
오.
이렇게 하고 김밥을 여기다 이렇게.
아, 같이요?
이렇게.
Clearly failing.
너무 맛있다.
그쵸. So we're done eating. 잘 먹었습니다. A big thank you to Miss Hansan for feeding us today and every other day that we visit her. Any last words?
맛있게 먹었어요?
네. 진짜 맛있게
안
먹었어요.
울었어요? 이렇게
아니요.
먹고 안 울었어요?
저 인도 사람이에요. 인도 매운 거 잘 먹어요.
인도 사람들 매운 거 너무 좋아해서 너무너무 잘 먹어요. 한 숟가락 먹었는데 매워서 아파요. 아파요. 여러분 너무 식당을 오래 기다리게 해서 너무너무 미안하고요. 기다리신 김에 한 달만 더 기다려주세요. 곧 오픈하겠습니다. 고마워요.
So that's all for today. 그럼 장창.